Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a 1970 Boss 302 Mustang here for you today. This is a really neat car, a very original car, finished in bright yellow paint, factory color. It reads 48,000 miles on the odometer, and that is believed to be original based on the condition of the car. You can see it's got a newer set of period correct tires on it, which is pretty sweet. Just a really straight, honest car here. It of course has the Boss 302 V8 engine, special for the Boss 302 Mustang, 4-speed transmission. You know, this is a pretty cool car because it's low optioned, flat hood, no tack, no console. It does have the fold down rear seat option. I'm gonna hop in, fire it up for you. Key buzzer still works. Down rear seat, you got the Marti Report plaque with the reprint, the original window sticker. You have a book of records for the car, including the warranty card is with it, which is pretty cool to see. Really clean engine bay, very original looking. It's got the original for the ignition system there on the firewall, the igniter, original style distributor. It's got all the stickers under here. Really well detailed engine bay. This is we are told this is a warranty replacement Boss 302 engine. You'll see the casting number in the advertisement for the car, and it is a real deal warranty Boss 302 engine from what we can tell. A lot of these were not numbers matching, as you would say. A lot of them didn't come stamped with any VIN numbers. Some did. I haven't seen very many with the VIN stamping, so this one obviously just has the casting number that proves it's a Boss 302 engine. Really healthy. Does come with some spare parts. It does have its original bell housing with it, but it has an aftermarket style on it currently. You can see our undercarriage photos on our website to see that. on. The tubes must have warmed up. Awesome sounding exhaust. Obviously, I think this is an older respray, so it's not perfect, but it's in the paint overall is in good shape. Like the gaps are nice all the way around. There's some touch up right there. A little bit of touch up right there. Put in there too. But overall, really nice Boss 302 we're offering for sale. Please go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. When you go there, you'll find the price. You'll find 80+ high resolution photos of it. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.